Sugar is often found in many of our favorite foods and beverages, but its overconsumption can lead to serious health issues. Here are 7 key dangers associated with eating too much sugar. 1. Increased risk of heart disease. Excessive sugar intake can lead to obesity, inflammation, and high triglycerides, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. Studies have shown that high sugar diets can significantly increase the risk of heart-related issues. 2. Obesity and weight gain. Sugar adds empty calories to your diet without providing any essential nutrients. Consuming high amounts of sugar, especially in sugary drinks, can lead to weight gain and obesity, which are linked to numerous health problems. 3. Type 2 diabetes. Consuming a lot of sugar can lead to insulin resistance, a condition where the body's cells don't respond properly to insulin. This can eventually cause type 2 diabetes. High sugar diets are a major contributor to the rising incidence of diabetes worldwide. 4. Tooth decay. Sugar is a leading cause of tooth decay. It feeds the harmful bacteria in your mouth, leading to the production of acids that can erode tooth enamel and cause cavities. Good oral hygiene can help, but reducing sugar intake is crucial. 5. Liver disease. High sugar consumption, particularly fructose, can overload your liver. The liver converts fructose into fat, and excessive amounts can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, a serious condition that can affect liver function. 6. Addiction and cravings. Sugar can be highly addictive. It causes the release of dopamine in the brain, similar to what happens with addictive drugs. This can lead to cravings and binge eating, creating a cycle of overconsumption and health problems. 7. Increased risk of cancer. Some studies suggest that high sugar intake may be linked to an increased risk of certain cancers. Obesity, insulin resistance, and inflammation, all of which are influenced by excessive sugar consumption, are known risk factors for cancer. In conclusion, while sugar can be enjoyed in moderation, it's important to be aware of these potential dangers and limit intake to maintain optimal health. Reducing sugar can improve overall well-being and reduce the risk of many chronic diseases.